Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a process video to play along with some goodies from Color Rush Studio. This is the new April 2026 kits. Now I've got the main kit, the bold kit, the acrylic kit, and the acrylic kit add-on that had, well, they're all mixed up now. There was like extra little bunnies and oh my gosh, some of the cutest things. Like, look at bunny feet with little toe beans. They're the cutest things. So I have so many fun things to work with that I kind of don't know what to do next. So I started by choosing which acrylic I wanted to use, and I like this little flower child because that reminds me of my daughter. And so then I was like, okay, let's see what photo I have of her that works with this. And this is awesome. She is wearing a floral romper. We have flower child. I was like, okay, that would look kind of cool there. I can put her here. But what I think I want to do is mat her photo with some of this, not all of this, with some of this deeper pink because I want to cut out some of the bows. So that's why we can't do all of it. Then, I haven't gotten that far yet. I want to take this new stitching template and I love this cone flower. So the cone flower can go that way next to my title. And then I've got this one. I don't quite know what that is, but I like it. And it can shoot that way. I want to get I definitely want to get some embroidery on here. So I got this one out. Now I also have, oh, there it is. I was like, where is my big template? Let's see. This one right here is awesome in that it's a zigzag. So I was thinking like some zigzag down here. And then, I don't know, maybe if I did zigzag, flowers there, then maybe on this side, a little bit more zigzag. Let me see about my smaller stitching template. Yep, there's another zigzag here. Just trying to make my big decisions because, yeah, this one's a little smaller on the zigzag, so I'm going to have that template out to work with. Now, I'm super lucky because I do have a ton of embroidery floss because I love it. So I have a bunch of colors that work really well with this kit out already. So I'm going to do the stitching off camera. In my first layout video, I showed you guys how I take basically what amounts to a mouse pad and I have a little pokey tool. I poke the holes and I just start embroidering. I like a really big chunky embroidering floss kind of vibe, especially on a pattern. So I'm using all 6 strands. Yes. Then, so this is getting matted. That's going to be super short term and I'll pop it up on some dimensional adhesive so that it really shows. But I keep also looking at these because I love them. So I think, I know, I'm going to cut out at least one of these pink ones and give it a little bit of a show on here. I could cut out this white, kind of is cool too, and leave a tiny bit of the blue border so that it pops off too. Okay, I have to make that big decision. I have to do some stitching. Oh, you know what we also have that's gorgeous? We've got these little Hello Spring pieces. Oh, you know what? We have a paper. Wait. Let me find it. It's got these gorgeous like Polaroid vibes too. Oh my goodness. All right, I have some decision making to do because I want to use everything. So let me start fussy cutting, let me start embroidering, and I'll meet you right back here. I don't have anything tacked down, but I do have things placed because I was just having fun with it. Look at how fun my little wildflowers are that are embroidered on. So I think they came out really well. I'm going to just go ahead and glue this piece down, if I can find my glue, before it gets running off. Now, let me show you a couple of other, just trying to get some nice dots of glue kind of here, there, and everywhere because it works better for me that way. And then it goes flying anyway, but we digress. Let's put this down. I'm using this bottom little piece, this line down here is kind of my marker. So that was fun. I think it shimmied in there really well. Now, my photo is popped up. See this scallop piece? That's just fussy cut. I need to tack that down as well as this one. I do want to put some little stitches next to it. I'm thinking, yeah, I'm really thinking of just doing, where is it? This one right here, just this little like X stitch on it to kind of bring in the same embroidery colors. I think that would be fun. Now these pieces right here, see this one and this one? We got these 3 little die cut ephemera pieces in our kit. So I just have those on there for a little bit of an anchor. And then all of these blue and white flowers and these little guys that kind of look like, over easy egg, those are just fussy cut out of one of our pattern papers. And I know I've said it about 1,000 times, but pattern papers are like the workhorse of like just giving it back to you. They're so great to get little bits and pieces out of, and you can help tell your story and beef up your clusters, and I find them to be gorge. Okay, that's my PSA, everybody. It's true. So I'm going to pop these things down. I have a couple of stitches to do. I'll probably stare at it for a moment to see. Like I could add more of these on. These are the die cut flowers, but I was really concentrating on these that I went ahead and fussy cut. I think that was a really fun thing to do. I even have some that are stitched that I had for my first layout. But I think I'm kind of concentrating on this kind of a vibe. I loved these little bows that came in one of our kits. I have the main kit as well as the bold kit. Look at, aren't they just the cutest? I think they're amazing. I kind of feel like I should put another one there so I have 3. I could. I don't know. No, I'll leave the 2. And then I have a bunch for later. So I like where this is going. I have a couple stitch marks to do. I don't know if I'll have much more to put on here. Maybe a couple Nouveau drops. I don't know. But we'll see when I come back. Give me a moment. Guys, I'm losing the light, but I wanted to show you my finished layout. These cute little butterflies came in our kits. There were 2 pink and 2 gold. So I used a full pink one here and most of a pink one down here to add just a little bit of extra sparkle and shine. I have a little bit of embroidery here that I used and right down here as well. So embroidery in 3 places, which I used my embroidery template, my smaller stitches one on that one. You saw that I did these 2 wildflowers, and I think they were a really nice little border for my acrylic. I thought that was fun. And then you guys, mostly I use things from our paper for the cut aparts. I did come in with just some yellow Nouveau drops because I thought it was a nice buttery yellow color. And that was that. So I am going to have a link down below. It's my affiliate link to get your hands on these kits. If you are not into affiliate links, then just go directly to the website, colorrushstudio.com, and subscribe. Also, come join us over on the Facebook group. You guys can see everything going on with what other people are creating, with what the design team is doing. There's a challenge this month with a sketch with a twist, which is actually to use embroidery, which I thought was perfect because I've been having so much fun stitching. So there's all kinds of things going on. So meet us over there and be sure to show us what you're creating with these goodies. So guys, I'm going to see you ever so soon with another video and have a few still shots to follow. Bye, friends.